Here, we come with a series of MCQs to give you a real-life experience for exams.
Welcome viewers. GLS is coming out with special MCQ for you, and this is going to help you on the eve of the exams. And we are going to cover the topic charging of securities. We are coming with various questions. You apply your mind, what we have covered earlier, based on that you have to answer. First question. When the bank gives home loans, the nature of charge created is hypothecation, mortgage, assignment, pledge. Answer is B, that is mortgage. Next question. When banks gives working capital, the nature of charge created is hypothecation, mortgage, assignment, pledge, or another option A and or B above. The answer is E. E is what? A and or B above, that is hypothecation, and B above is mortgage. So hypothecation and mortgage and or mortgage to be precise. Next question. When bank issues letter of credit or DPG or bank guarantee, the nature of charge created is hypothecation, mortgage, assignment, pledge. Next is B and or C above. Little tricky. Remember, when there is a letter of credit, the answer is E, that is the B and C, that is mortgage and or assignment. Another question, which of the following statement is correct? Lien is right of possession, hypothecation is right of possession, pledge is not a real charge, pledge and hypothecation are same. Answer is A, lien is right of possession, actually you control that asset. So that is what you have to remember. Another question, charge means any form of security, debt, deposit. Option is A, B 1 and 2, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. The answer is B, that is the charge is 1 and 2, that is debt and security or security and debt, whichever way you look at. Next question, when bank gives loan against fixed deposit with the bank, the nature of charge created is lien, mortgage, assignment, pledge or hypothecation. You need to understand it is loan against the fixed deposit, so it is basically an assignment. If you recollect the set of concept. Next, mortgage is the dash in the immovable property. Transfer of title, transfer of interest, pledge, hypothecation. Answer is B, that is transfer of interest in the immovable property. Simple mortgage is created by what? An instrument in writing, oral agreement, oral assent, or unwritten promise. The answer is A, that is an instrument in writing. Next, in mortgage, by way of conditional sale, the property is sold with the condition for reconveyance, sold unconditionally, sold by mutual or oral consent, or all of the above are correct. The answer is A, that is sold with the condition of reconveyance. Limitation period for a filing suit of a sale of a mortgage property is dash years when the money sued for the suit becomes due. 3, 5, 10, 12 are the options. The answer is D, 12, which is 12 years when the money should become due. Next question, which of the following statement is correct? Lien is right to possession, hypothecation is right to possession, pledge is not a real charge, pledge and hypothecation are same. Answer is A, lien is right of possession. Look at some of the questions. It is coming in different languages. You need to understand the concept very well. Which of the following persons can make a valid pledge? Owner of the goods, a mercantile agent, seller of the goods who continues to be in possession of the goods even after sale, or can create a valid pledge, all of the above. The answer is D, that is all of the above. That means following persons can make valid pledge: owner of the goods, a mercantile agent, or seller of the goods who continues to be in possession of the goods even after sale can create a valid pledge. So possession is an important aspect here. Next question, security of a movable property is called hypothecation, mortgage, assignment, pledge, D set off. Answer is A, that is hypothecation. And some of the answers are absolutely relevant, like set off you need to remember. So all these tricky questions you need to have real hold on the concepts what you learn. Next question, in contract of pledge, Pawnee can sell the goods without notice, can sell the goods with notice only, can retain the goods and file suit for recovery of debt. Next option is, that is B or C above. The answer is D, that is B or C above. That is, can sell the goods with notice only and can retain the goods and file suit for recovery of debt. So this concludes our first series of MCQ, very important from the examination point of view.